what to expect or not to expect from a teacher-student relation. Do teachers have duties toward their students? If so, what are they? There are different level of teachers, you can say. There is Buddhas. Buddhas are basically teachers also, completely enlightened, and they know everything. They're perfect being. Then there are teachers who are also great bodhisattvas, who are or arhats or something like very, very highly realized and very clear, knows what exactly is needed for that student, and they are themselves very highly realized too. And then there are very highly learned great masters. They have studied a lot. They know the Dhamma completely well, and they can answer all the questions and things like that. But they are necessarily not completely, above samsara. They are samsaric beings. They are not enlightened beings. And there are also teachers who, who have learned a little bit, who knows some instructions or some Dhamma that they have learned from their teachers. They have a good heart. They try to help. They try to share whatever knowledge they have. They are not perfect. They are, samsaric beings like us. But they, they try to share whatever Dhamma they know. So there are different levels of teachers. And most of the teachers are the last one, like ordinary beings, samsaric beings like me, like many of you. We have received some teachings from our teachers, and we have some understanding of the Dhamma. We are trying to do some practice, but we are not perfect. We are not highly realized. We would like to share whatever we know, because we feel that it is valuable and it might help if people come to know a little bit of Dharma. But that's not bad. That's okay. That's good. We can have those kind of teachers very commonly. Most we don't know actually who is a high level or enlightened person or not, because we are not enlightened. But if somebody knows the Dhamma, have some studied, and have studied with some good teachers, and have tried to do some practice and kind of have a good intention, then that's okay teacher. That's because it's not possible to find highly realized beings very often. So the duties, or what the teacher has to do is to genuinely share what he or she learned in a kind of a good way, in a fully what I know, in order to benefit. And that's it, The student cannot expect this teacher to be, some with the miraculous powers, or can completely transform you, or can make you realize enlightenment or Buddhahood just like this. No, there's nothing like that. Actually, nobody can do that. Even Buddha, he said he cannot do that. So you cannot expect too much. You cannot expect anything from the teacher except the understanding, guidance of the Dharma. And also, I think the less you expect, the better it is.